This how-to video covers the fundamentals of starting a new plan or project in Nialli Visual Planner. This video is geared toward plan administrators, those who are responsible for leading a construction project, such as superintendents or project managers. In order to access this functionality within Nialli Visual Planner, you will need to be set up as a plan administrator or subscription administrator. Please be sure to check out our permission levels at our Knowledge Hub at nialli.com/support. When you first log into Nialli Visual Planner, you will see the name of your subscription, but nothing listed under it. The first step is to create your plan. The first thing you'll do is select your subscription. Then you will give your plan a name. In this case, you will name it Demo. You will then select your working days, and you'll notice at the bottom, Add Sample Data. This is fake data that you can use to test the functionality of Nialli Visual Planner. You will then click Save, and your plan will pop up. When you first open your plan, you'll see the weekly schedule view. The top columns represent the days of the week, while the horizontal rows represent your areas of work. The first thing you want to do is define those areas of work. Usually, they're rooms or sections of a building, but these are flexible based on your construction project. You can press and hold the lane name to sort and customize your lanes as needed. You can also add additional lanes as you see fit in your project. We often get asked how many lanes can be in your plan. This is based on the size of your project and the complexity. We recommend staying under 25 lanes. This is to ensure your plan loads smoothly and you don't have workers on top of each other. After you've defined your areas of work, you'll want to include trades into your plan. You will then click the green end that provides you a drop-down settings menu. Once you click trades, you will assign each trade a different color so they can visually see the work that they should be doing on your plan. You can import these trades from an Excel file or by clicking Add Trade. You'll then be prompted to put in the trade information. To start, the trade name. In this case, we will use ABC. You'll then put in the primary contact information for that trade, finally by selecting a color and clicking Save. After you've added your trades, you'll then want to add your users who can then log in and access your plan. To do this, you will click the green N and select Users. The great thing about Nialli Visual Planner is there's no limitation on how many users can access the plan. You can import your users from an Excel file or by clicking Add Users. When adding a user, you'll first be prompted to enter their email address, then select their permission. The View Only permission only allows them to view the plan and not make any edits. Edit My Trade allows a trade to only edit their tags. Third is Edit All, where they can edit any tag in the plan. And fourth is Plan Admin, where they have full access to the plan and reporting. You will then select a trade and click Save. The final thing to do in your initial plan setup is the reasons for variance. You will click the green N and choose Variance. The reasons for variance are the reasons as to why your trades could not complete their work. You'll see some examples on the board here, such as labor constraint or weather, or if you look at the plan, failed inspection. This gives you insight into the trends going on within your project that you can then see in your reporting. Now that you've defined your areas of work, you've set up your trades, and you've added your users and reasons for variance, let's now explore how to import your master milestones and start planning. To import your master milestones, you'll first start by clicking the green N and selecting Plan. Please visit our knowledge base in order to download our master milestones template. You'll need to follow instructions in order for your upload to be successful. When your document is ready, click Import Master Milestones, find your file, and click Open. After you've imported your master milestones, you'll see they're given their own dedicated lane at the top of the screen. From here, you can then drag your milestone into the plan. You can also move this milestone throughout the plan as needed, but if the milestone goes past its dedicated date, you'll then see an indicator on the milestone itself. Your plan is now set up and you're ready to get started. Please be sure to check out our next videos on phase planning and weekly planning as we get into more detail on the planning process.